You've just seen this young man perform. He also sang in Chiller Party, and he sung in Jai Ho. Your thoughts?
Arman. Arman, if you ever want to be photographed, I have Mr. B.K. Tambe's card. You will. Tambe ji is he's a photographer, press photographer. He's been there since much before our time. Yeah, he used to be Chunky Pandey's favorite photographer. Abhi bhi hai ya bhul gaya Chunky Pandey ko? Huh? All the parties, everything he used to cover. Still around, still shooting. Lovely. The man looks still looks the same. This evening is dedicated to Mr. B.K. Tambe and his card. Looks like that, huh? So, hi. These guys, both these guys, Amal and Arman, are really, really amazing. Their grandfather, their father, both their uncles are totally into music. And the father is the youngest amongst everyone. Dabbu is a very dear friend of ours. And these boys have grown up in front of us. And they've been very enthusiastic about the music. There's been a lot of support from the mother and from the father. No matter what times they went through, they made sure that this boy and the older one, they studied music, and they went to the best music schools, etc., etc., etc. They put in their sweat, their blood, everything to get these boys where they are today. And I don't think that both these kids are ever going to let their parents down. My request is to the mother that she should leave him alone now. She should just डांस क्लासेस में माँ को जाना है, सिंगिंग क्लासेस में माँ को जाना है, हर जगह माँ को जाना है. ऐसे अभी छोड़ दो हाथ, बच्चा निकल गया है, आगे चलने दो. तो एक दिन I was on doing some cardio, and both these brothers came. और रुक जाओ एक्सेंट, बाद में मिलेंगे तस्वीर खींचने के मौके. ये दोनों भाई आए. And see how, you know, the kind of games that we play in the film industry. इन्होंने मुझे 6-7 गाने सुनाए. तो मैंने बोला कि ठीक है, जैसे और कौन से 2 गाने, जैसे ये 2 गाने जो अच्छे नहीं थे अब हमने यूनिवर्सल को दे दिए हैं, तो ऐसे वो सुना दो. तो वो सुना. And I really like those songs. So I said, ये किसको दिए? I said, Universal को दिए हमने. So I said, I want these songs. How do we, you know, Bhushan is doing the music. How do we get these songs out? They said, now it will be difficult. He said, but they didn't want the songs. And we forced them to take the songs. So I said, now force them to get back the songs. So I said, do not mention my name. Mr. Amal there, being a smart ass, has gone and told these guys that, you know, Salman wants it for his film. So I said, are you crazy? There's no way they're going to give it now. Now they'll want the songs. There's हुआ, फिर बात हुई, लंबा चौड़ा discussion हुआ. Universal was really sweet to, you know, give us the music. And I said that once you launch your film, I mean, there was no point at that point in time launching the music. I said, let these 2 songs come in Jai Ho. And then after that, you know, there'll be a phase. He's going to, you know, start the film, you know, with that song. So at that point in time, after that, you can do your music release and you can do your album. So these songs were there. All the songs were amazing. We got really 2 really amazing songs in the movie. And I'm so happy for these boys that they are here. Their songs have been appreciated. Come, Aman. Very enthusiastic, especially this dude here. इनके रात के 2-2 बजे फोन आते हैं मेरे को. So I had to mention as a back off, dude. I'm going to come home and slap the shit out of you. This is not the time I want to listen to music. Give them a song, and half an hour later, गाना ready है. I say, यार थोड़ा time ले यार. I say, what is this rubbish? I say, your father takes 4 years to make this song. हाँ, अभी तक गाना हुआ है वो बिंदिया चमके complete नहीं हुआ है. Father का गाना. उसमें कुछ अभी तक वो कुछ शहनाई की बिट्स मिसिंग है गाने के अंदर जो डाल रहे हैं. So I mean, you know, the amount of enthusiasm they have in their family for music and the passion that I hope it doesn't happen between these two kids here. I remember, now you have to take this as a compliment, yeah? You have to take this as a compliment. I remember, I've done a lot of music with their uncle, Annu Malik. He's given me some really good hit songs. And then I signed Dabbu for Tumko Na Bhul Payenge. There was 2 songs that he did. To take this as a compliment. It means how interested and how amazing they are with music, yeah? So Annu comes home. And he said, यार वो picture करनी है आपके साथ वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. So I said, yeah, I mean, this film I'm doing, I don't have any other film. Or, you know, I've signed Dabbu for that thing. I thought he's come to tell me, okay, thanks, man. He needed work, and thank you. You know, brothers. That thank you that, you know, that today he's doing some, you know, music for you guys. And I'm really happy. उल्टा ही निकला यार. इसे उसको क्या को लिया? I am the music guy, यार. I give superb music. So I said, ये क्या हो गया यार? I said, तेरा छोटा भाई Annu. He said, हाँ ठीक है. I love him. But music, I am better. You take me for the songs. I'm the head of the family. Take me for the songs. तो ऐसे ये कमाल का ऐसा अनु इस फिल्म में तो you know डब्बू मलिक हो गया है और kindly go home now. So I thought, so this is the amount of, I said, take it as a compliment. I mean, how dedicated with music these boys are. कहाँ हैं? अनु आए आपके अंकल? नहीं आए? Ooh. He must be hosting, he must be busy, he must be hosting something. Otherwise, he would not miss it. Anyway, like I said, you have to take, they're two, I mean, like totally into music, and that's why I said that, you know, there's music, ek apni jagah hai, and you sing as well. He sings, you compose, he also composes. Both these boys are geniuses, and the father is a big help. These guys, you know, the main melody, I think, comes from the father. The energy level comes from these two guys. Father की energy level थोड़ी सी ढीली है. Father, music, बजी, रो रहे हैं पीछे. तो ये है, और आज इन दोनों का म्यूजिक चल गया है. ये